The monks visited the beautiful Grand Canyon, a peaceful moment at one of the world's greatest natural wonders. The monks admire the breathtaking canyon views. Nature and peace come together at the Grand Canyon. The beauty of the Grand Canyon inspires peace and mindfulness. This massive canyon was carved by the powerful Colorado River. Millions of visitors come here every year to see this beauty. A moment here feels like dots standing inside a natural masterpiece. The colorful rock layers tell a story millions of years old. Watching the sunrise or sunset here is truly magical. A place where nature shows its incredible power. The Grand Canyon is a must-visit destination in the USA. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.